Hi, I'm Beatriz Nebot Gracia from the Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management team. In this video, I'm going to demo the new engineering change management capabilities. These capabilities will help you revise and control changes to products during their lifecycle. To demo this functionality, let's assume that I'm an engineer in the engineering department, and I'm working on a new power cord. The power cord is a product that is going to be versioned. On the Release Products page, I'll select Product, Engineering Product to open the new product pane. In the Engineering Product category field, I'll select Electrical Components. I'll enter a product number for the new power cord and then enter a name for it. Note that the first version number is defaulted in, and some engineering attributes are associated with the product as soon as the product category is selected. Select OK to create the product. I can review the details of this version of the product record by selecting Engineering Versions. When I select the first version, I'm able to see that it's active, its effectivity dates, and other information, such as attributes, documents, bill of materials, and routes. I'm working on this power cord because we received feedback that indicated that there was an issue with the current power cord that is on the market. This feedback was captured in a change request that I can find on the Change Requests page. I'll select the change request for the power cord. Looking at the notes in the information section, I can see that the issue is fast degradation of the plastic covering the conductor. When I scroll down to the products area, I can see that the product is the power cord F00025. Because of this issue, I want to make that version of the power cord obsolete. I'll create a new change order by selecting Copy Link and Products. Then I'll select New to create the change order. In the title field, I'll enter a title for the change order. Note that the power cord with the issue F00025 was added in the impacted products area. With the current version of the product selected, I'll set the product lifecycle state to obsolete. I also want to change the speakers in which the power cord is used so that the speakers use the new power cord. So I'll search for the speakers. Under Where Used, I'll select Search. Then I'll click OK to make that process run in the background. Now I can see that the original power cord is used in different speakers. I'll select the second speaker on the list and I'll select Add Marked to add that speaker to the change order. I'll close the page. Back on the change order, I can see that the speaker has been added. For the speaker, I'll change the bill of materials so it does not use the power cord with the defect, but rather the new one. I would like to create a new version of the product to be able to keep track of this important change. So in the Impact field, I'll select New Version for the speaker. Then, in the Product Details area, I'll select the Bill of Materials tabs and then select its bill of material. I'll click Lines. In the BOM line page that appears, I'll select the power cord with the defect F00025 and then click Delete. Now I'll click New to add the new power cord, which is FN00040. I could do the same for the other speakers in which the power cord with the defect is used. I'll click Save and then close the page. The change order is now displayed. The change order is ready, so I'll click Save. Then I'll click Approve to approve the change order and Process to release these changes Now, I can release the new version of the speaker to a distribution company, USMF. To do that, I'll click on Release Product Structure and select the speaker, G001. I'll click on Release Details to view the details of the product and its bill of materials that will be released. Then close that page. I'll click on Next to go to the Select Companies page, where I will select company USMF. I'll click Next again and click Finish to release the products. So now, my work as an engineer in the engineering department is completed. I have designed the new power cord. I have made a change order in which I'm substituting the existing power cord that had a defect with the new power cord. And I have released the new version of the speaker with the new power cord to the distribution legal entity. There's just one more thing for us to do. We need to release the new version of the speaker in the distribution company USMF. The system can be configured so that it is automatically released, or the system can be configured to require manual acceptance before the product is released in the legal entity. Let's continue the scenario and assume that manual acceptance is needed. Now, assume that I have a colleague working in the USMF legal entity. I'll enter USMF in the top right corner. My colleague will be able to review the product that I sent to USMF. My colleague will be able to go to the Open Product Releases page and see the item that was sent. She can select the product line to review the product details. She can accept the product release by clicking Actions, Accept. The new version of the speaker is released in USMF. This video showed you the new engineering change management capabilities in supply chain management. These capabilities will help you revise and control changes to products during their life cycle. For more information, see the engineering change management content on docs.microsoft.com. Thanks for watching.